The Definitive Guide to SEO. Written by Thomas Mitchell. A visit, and the success of a website, depends heavily on its positioning within Google search. SEO optimization deals with this challenge. Search engine optimization, as part of digital marketing, involves the complete process of working on and off the site, in order to place it in organic search results. When it comes to ranking a site on the internet, it is virtually understood that we are referring to Google search, given its dominant position. While not the only search engine, it is by far the most influential player on the market. Suffice it to remind you that the term Google it is also coined, where you are referring to finding something on the internet. In order to rank well, good search engine optimization is required. So, what is SEO and why is it needed? What is SEO analysis? SEO analysis is the first step before working on optimization. In this step we get acquainted with the site and analyze it from a technical, on-page and off-page aspect. In this way, we come to the real picture of the problems that affect the current site rankings, as well as what needs to be done to achieve the best possible result and improve the analyzed site. Analyzing will vary depending on whether you are doing analysis for a new or existing site, and it will depend on how much access to the different data that needs to be checked. For almost all areas of SEO analysis, there are tools that allow you to complete and quickly analyze. You can also use the tool to analyze your competition to almost the same extent as your site. There are several types of SEO analyses, general, targeted, etc., that aim to give you a more accurate picture of the status of the site, and below are some of the elements to check. Technical analysis: check the site's technical settings. It looks at whether the site has a robots.txt file, whether the pages have a canonical tag, the load time of the site, whether the site and its pages are indexed or access to some pages is prevented. On-page analysis: an overview of the content structure on the site itself. It is important to check that the page titles and meta descriptions are unique, that the title and headings contain keywords, or that the URL is optimized. Off-page analysis: exploring the external links that lead to the analyzed site. In that case, you need to know how many backlinks there are, how many domains those backlinks come from, whether the domains are indexed, what is the authority of the domains that link to the site, etc. One of the most important elements of SEO optimization is the ranking for your desired keywords to appear with the searches within the topics that are relevant to you. Keyword research. Keywords are words and phrases we use when searching for something on the internet. It can be one word and it can be a long sentence. Of course, the more specific our search is, the more relevant the results will be. For example, if you type in the word SEO, you will get tens of millions of results, but if you type SEO optimization in London, you will get even better results. However, it is often not always clear which words to include when optimizing. There are even often surprising results. There we may learn that there is a lot of interest in searches for example,